Hi, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC down here in Port Charlotte, over by Jobean, and just finishing up the waterfall that I did the repairs and stuff and rebuild on. And I'm just about ready to plug it in and see how she does. But now you can see I did all the veneer rock around all the edging over here. All that, oops, sorry about that. All that edging is all veneered. I just put that in, filled in all the little spots there where the foam was and needed a little rock here and there to bury that stuff in. Redid the top and everything's all done. Top of it's all finished up. And now I got to do the pond clean out and rebuild on the walls, and then rebuild a walk wall over here to be able to do the windows. I'll be taking all that apart and putting in flat stone, cementing it in, so that way there they can just walk right out there and wash out the windows there. You don't have to worry about falling in the pond. Well, here I go. I'm going to go plug it in. I'm going to go see what happens here. Now this has got the TT 9000, the Atlantic. Oops, sorry about that. So that one there, I purchased that from Webb's Water Garden, and they've always been good to me. I've never had any problems with Webb's. If I had a problem with something, then they took care of it. Aquascape, not so good. I bought a pump for a customer. It's 5,000 to 9,000, and the impeller inside, the metal had just rotted right off of it. And I called them up, and they said it was because it was put up in the winter wrong. And I said, "Oh, hey, I live in Florida. We don't have winter." If I was back in Maine, I could see that. But anyways, enough of that. That's how she looks with the TT 9000. It's got a good push to it, and that's got a lot to do with your pump. Is how your waterfall goes. Is the size of your pump. It's not just your rise and your run. Also the size of your waterfall box and the size of your pump. You want to make sure that your pump fits what you want. If you want a trickling soft sound, then get something smaller, but make sure it's got enough to be able to reach where you're going. And I've always gone with a little bit more, because you can always put a ball valve on there to slow it down in your line, they're 2 inch, 3 inch, or 1.5 inches. You can always put a ball valve in there to slow things down if you want to make it slower. But this is what it looks like. And the back side, we're going to be putting some bromelads and also oyster plants. There it is. Here. Well, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC over here in Port Charlotte off Jobean. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day and be safe out there. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.